paano na-involve si Senator Kiko Pangilinan? Ako galit na galit si Mrs. sa inyo.
Actually, natawa ako doon, Atty. Trixie, no? Kasi that shows his tendency to prejudge.
Okay,
It was indolence, actually. You know, present yung picture niya doon. Walang sinabi ang mga kwan. You review the video coverage. Walang sinabi yung mga sundalo eh. Kaya sabi ko doon sa nag-ooperate ng nag-ooperate ng mga presentation ng slides.
Anong PowerPoint?
Move forward. Kako, hindi yan, hindi yan.
Bakit? So, ibig sabihin, it was just a picture of
It's
him
just a picture
and, with the employees
yes.
of Nisibis Bay. Tama ba?
Oo, kasi ginamit nila yung eroplano. Pero may ibang pictures yan.
So, it was the plane that the picture was for? O basta nadamay lang yun doon?
No, it's a number of pictures depicting the use of helicopters and air assets, no, ni Zaldico
Yes.
by the couple. Hindi lang naman minsan eh, during the campaign. No?
So,
Meron,
humiram
makikita mo pa nga,
sila
2025 Kiko Pangilinan, nasuot ni Miss Sharon. So sabi ko, move forward. Kako hindi...
So yung allegation, hindi siya tumanggap siya ng pera?
Walang allegation.
Walang sinabi.
Na,
Wala kaming sinabi. And then, natawa ako dahil nag-react silang dalawa na sinungaling. Sinungaling saan? When you say sinungaling, dapat may sinabi.
Pero ano yung purpose nung in-include yung mga photos na yun? Kung hindi pala siya ina-accuse specifically of accepting anything?
Mali yung present na picture eh. May ibang pictures during the campaign.
Okay. So ano dapat yung picture na lumabas?
So wait.
Ay, yung paggamit nga nila ng helicopter and
Ng
the
air
airplane
assets ni
during the
Zaldico.
campaign. Yes.
So,
And I hope na-declare yan sa SOSE. I hope, ha?
okay. So, okay. So, tama naman.